It's me again, Marinette Concepcion, and nandito na tayo sa last chapter ng supply chain management. So, let's start. So, next is the chapter 5, the last chapter. Oh no, it's not the last chapter. In chapter 5, we're going to tackle about technology in supply chain operations. So, technology plays a vital role in enhancing supply chain operations, improving efficiency, accuracy, and responsiveness. So, new technical devices and applications have emerged as the go-to resources for logistics and transportations practitioners wanted to remain linked and track their supply chains from every places. So, ang isa sa halimbawa ng technology sa supply chain management is kagaya na lamang nung pag natatrack natin yung order natin kung nasa na sa, for example, sa Lazada or sa Shopee, natatrack natin kung nasa Philippines na ba siya, from China, or kung kailan natin makukuha yung product na in-order natin. So, ganun yung effect. Ganun yung effect ng technology in terms of supply chain management. So, kung titingnan natin, magandang epekto siya. Dahil doon, mas napapadali nating nalalaman kung nasa na nga ba yung mga orders, yung mga in-orders natin. So, integrating technology into supply chains operations significantly enhances efficiency, reduces cost, and improves customer satisfaction. So, nai-improve niya yung customer satisfaction dahil nade-detect siya ng mga umorder. As the technology continues to evolve, its impact on supply chain management will only grow, enabling businesses to adapt to changing market conditions more effectively. So, yun lang. Madali lang siya aralin dahil madali lang din siya intindihin dahil sa panahon natin ngayon, more on ganun na yung mga system ng supply chain management. Kaya mas napapadali nila kung paano madedetect or matatrack yung mga ino-orders ng mga consumers or customers. So, I hope you get it and I hope may natutunan kayo sa akin or sa reflection ko simula chapter 1 hanggang sa last chapter, this chapter 5. I hope you've learned a lot about supply chain management to me, and I hope na sana may naintindihan kayo sa mga or sa reflection ko. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Love you.